off the bench in the last game.
Yes, well, that's Yang Giao strategy. You know, Denise, confidence that he wants his players to develop.
Chris Ross draws first blood. Junmar Fajardo goes back to Brundial with a hook shot. Easy peasy for Mamu. Susubok bumawi, and he does.
Out game.
CJ Perez, easy basket for him.
Miguel, ang ganda ng you know, whenever they attack the basket, it's a so high percentage. But again, Guillermo Muyak.
Ang karakot, aggressive to...
And trying to get an easy basket rather than any more set.
The lead back.
Ganda ng sagutan ng dalawang team na to. It's really a lot of offensive attack early. Junmar, because with the use of his outside shooting.
Brundial, second chance works. Dito magbababa. But wanting to score on his own. Junmar going back to CJ. CJ, oh, they just let him go. Karakot asking for the ball, left alone inside. Gabe thought about it. From the elbow. Well, 6 minutes and some change left in the first frame. Chris Ross, 4-3 for Gallen. Ross. Oh, wanting a foul there. Otoliano goes to the ball. Oh,
grabe.
the defense, wow, extra pass. Asistio. Nokum again against Romeo, against Naunduan. Set up again. Third try. Wala pa rin. They will take their time. Clarito, fourth time. Tim was asking for it. 7 to shoot for Terrence. Behind the back. Goes straight. Salute. Oh, Clarito na naman against 3 players. Kicks out to Nokum. Nokum for 3. This time would work para dito. Check that. Biggest lead, 6 points para dito sa Rain or Shine. Junmar Fajardo. Trimming that.
He's very good at getting his space underneath.
Datu, susubok ulit.
Yun ang malaking bagay, Denise.
Coach, back in the first quarter, 1 of 6. Itong Rain or Shine as Terrence Romeo answers back again. Sunod na tres na here in the second quarter.
And they will never abandon. That's a kind of game that they... Oh, what a nice Hesse move there. Jericho is so good at playing defense and very physical guard. Ayan pa.
Oh!
Pensan ko, pero syempre hindi mo nakikita sa box scores yun, sa stats, di ba?
Jericho from beyond the arc again! Marshall for 3. Ang bilis ng recovery kasi talaga nung Beermen. Nokum trying to answer back, and he does. Tabla na naman tayo, 40 all. Marshall Lassiter, looking to change that. Yeah. Santi against Manuel. Pero kita mo yung Perez nasa loob na ulit for Coach George Gallen. And this is the reason why. Semi-final, San Miguel still with the lead. Current count natin is 44-42. But CJ Perez.
Ganda naman nun.
Perez. Again, just going straight to the basket.
Just too quick, but what's really hurting Rain or Shine is the points off turnovers. That's 12-0 already, Denise. Yun ang masakit doon.
San Miguel still with the lead here, 48-45. Marshall Lassiter will change that. And CJ, the dire-diretso, extra pass to Junmar. Makes it look...
22 years old, 19 years old, with 2 years in college.
Fresh start para sa kanila here in the second half. An opportunity as Keith Datu fires from beyond the arc.
Fajardo.
Again, if you're just joining us, we'd like to thank you for watching the Smart Live Stream app. More time, Keith Datu thinking about it. Asistio, left alone. He will make them pay for that.
Slide screen. ang lalim na masyado ni Junior nakukuha yung bola and nothing that keep that can do. Parang ganyan. Yal.
We're just starting off the third. Asistio. And Noko Moldly. Marshall Lassiter nagmamadali. Babalik kay Junmar. And Junmar breaking into double digits. Manageable if you're rain or shine. Oh, Asistio here with a reverse. For rain or shine here in the third. Better start for them as CJ Perez will again extend the lead.
Talaga makakuha ng magandang flow.
Maganda flow dito, Junmar Fajardo. And speaking of which, Asistio wanted that shot. And he gets, na may hawak ng bola dito against Belga this time. Going back to Ross. Ross with a three-point shot. A little under 7 minutes, or 7.5 minutes remaining in the third frame. Asistio.
Great shot.
Nagdadalawang isip with the help. 8 to shoot. Junmar. Trying to get rid of Bo. Again. Oh, thought about it. Hesitant. Extra pass. Santillan almost losing it. 3 players defending.
For rain or shine, nothing. You have to play a better game to taking care of that ball against San Miguel.
Oh.
It's just way too many contributions from the rest of the team.
And speaking of contribution, rather, Belga, 5 to shoot, extra pass.
Beautiful give and go.
Devens Romeo, sasagot. And sagot dito ang rain or shine. 3 to shoot, CJ Perez, 4-3. Also, the last few conferences.
Yes, I mean, there's just so many. And then June.
Spin around. Another one. Oh. Papahihinga muna si Junmar. Our count here in the third frame, 88 to 71. Wanting the ball. 5 to shoot for Terence. Running out of time. Jericho Cruz left alone.
A lot different. Hindi basta-basta kakawala ang San Miguel. They had 19 assists in game 1 so far. For a lot of their, nakakuha na rin halos ng close to double figures si Datu and even Mo Belga. Like Chris Ross hit a couple of shots. Dami nag-contribute for San Miguel.
Dagdag mo pa dyan. Mamu. Getting that foul.
Talagang maganda yung scoring nilang 5. And there's a good chance na talaga mas defensively, San Miguel will also not allow easy baskets from all these rain or shine players.
But 5. Kanina nakita natin medyo seesaw battle but the runs kasi just in favor of San Miguel.
Dami nilang mga shots that really kill the momentum of rain or shine to get back.
2.5 minutes. Little less than 2.5 minutes. Marshall Lassiter back inside with a 3.
Parang ganun. And then run your game on a fast break. So, like I said, coaches will really study this game and see. And they know what's...
Point lead. Dying seconds of the fourth quarter. 5 to shoot. Itira si Romeo. Pasok pa rin. Of the PBA. For my partner, Coach Eric Reyes.